Hi everyone, this is Anagha, and this is a demo for Project 1 Things Will Never Be the Same. This project is for class CS 428 Augmented Virtual and Mixed Reality under Professor Andrew Johnson. This project aims to envision a future where we all have AR glasses and have various AR widgets lying around in our houses. So in this case, we have a calendar, a clock, a thermometer, a humidity widget, a wind speed and direction widget, and finally a widget that shows the current main condition. So that can be either a clear sky or raining or snowing, mist, etc. So let's get started. So as we can see all our widgets at the same time. Each widget is on its own unique marker, and if I move around the markers, the widgets appropriately position themselves. If I hide the marker, the widgets disappear and they reappear when I make the marker visible again. Okay, let's get started. So we have the clock widget, which shows the current time from the system as it can be seen from the menu bar. We have the calendar widget, which shows the current date from the system in imperial form. We have temperature and humidity widgets, which show current temperature and humidity. And we have wind speed and direction widget, which shows the current wind speed and direction. And we have a main condition widget, which shows the main condition in 3D form. So we can see so as it can be seen, it shows the current main temperature, which is mist, and it also has a unique looping sound with it. So let me demonstrate that. So it has a unique looping sound to it. As we go farther, the sound gets lesser and lesser. We can loop around all different conditions. So we have this thunderstorm widget, which has the animation of the thunder. We have shower rain. Sorry, this is just rain. We have shower rain. We have broken clouds, scattered clouds, and clear day. All these you can keep rotating between these icons with the arrow keys. You can either go back or front. It may so happen that you don't want to see the units in imperial form, so you can switch to metric units by pushing this button. So now it has changed to imperial units. Let me mute this. So now all the units have changed to metric units. As you can see, the time shows the clock shows the time in 24-hour format. The wind speed is in meters per second. The calendar widget shows the date in DDMM format rather than MMDD format, and finally the temperature is in Celsius. All the data in the widgets get updated every 30 seconds, and I created all the models myself.